As the province has started lifting some restrictions, some employers may be looking forward to when they'll be able to return their employees to the workplace. When they do so, there are certainly some key legal considerations they'll want to have in mind when they go through that process. First and foremost will certainly be their health and safety considerations, which would include any COVID protocols that remain in place in their particular public health unit. So that would be things like employee spacing. Are they going to install physical dividers in between employee workspaces? And of course, masks and other PPE. Part of that consideration will likely include giving some thought to whether or not they want a vaccine policy if they don't already have one. Certainly any vaccine policy, the key considerations are going to be, is it just a recommendation? Are they going to create a mandatory requirement that employees are vaccinated? And of course, if you're going to have a mandatory requirement, you need to figure out what any disciplinary measures will be for employees who do not follow that policy. The other consideration there will certainly be, how are you going to handle any accommodation requests that arise as a result of you implementing a vaccine policy? As we know, the exemptions, the recognized exemptions from the vaccine right now are quite narrow, but there are a number of employees who are still making claims based on medical and religious grounds, some more legitimate than others, but certainly those claims are going to happen, and they will need to be treated seriously and dealt with. Something else that employers will certainly be wanting to give some thought to, whether or not they're returning employees to the workplace, is their remote work policies. Have they actually formalized an official remote work policy moving forward, and what is that going to look like? If you're keeping employees out of the workplace, is that indefinite? Is this just the new standard for the company? Are they going to go to a hybrid model that are becoming very popular right now? So certainly that's something that employers will want to draft and get in place if they don't right now, and will certainly want some legal advice in drafting those policies.